Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Again, my name is Sherry Hertzler, and if you've seen me before, it's because you have. I wanted to continue with the last reflection that I shared with you on the pledge that I do at the Good Shepherd Preschool each morning to get my day started. Along with that, I do a prayer, and I wanted to make sure that I explained to you the reason why I chose this prayer before I go ahead and tell you the actual prayer. I believe that even at an early age, children struggle sometimes with the way they feel and their self-esteem. So I found this really great prayer that helps me connect with the way that they could feel and also search my inner self again and be able to see myself through God's eyes. And I think that is so important as a reflection to kind of go back and think, maybe this is how Jesus sees me. And it really truly helps to make you feel better about yourself. So I feel like before I can connect with the students and before us as educators and teachers can connect with students, this is an important prayer that kind of gets you in the right mindset to think maybe some of those feelings and those fears that they have. So I'm going to go ahead and share that with you now. We are made for service, to care for each other. We are made to love each sister and brother. With love that will last through sorrow and pain, a love that will never die and strain. God sent his Son to show us the way, one who shared his love every minute of the day. One who gave his life that we might live, and his Spirit to help us through the year. Life can be so lonely when nobody cares. Life can be so empty when nobody shares. But if we give ourselves both time and again, the happiness of Christ will live within. Thank you for listening to my message today, and I hope that this helps you in your reflections, in your prayer life. God bless.